If you are in the market for glasses and you're looking at lens materials, if the lens materials you're looking at are polycarbonate, Trivex, or glass, I got some answers for you. Hello and hi. Tyler from SportRx. I am an optician here and I want to help you to figure out what direction to go when it comes to lens material between Trivex, polycarbonate, or glass. I got some answers for you, but first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you find this information helpful. We have lots more information like this and just general good optical reviews and eyeglasses and sunglasses and sports and everything that you should need to know is on our channel. And if you hit subscribe, you're gonna get that information directly to you. Comment down below if I don't answer all the questions that you have, or give us a call because we're happy to help you. We would love to hear your voice. Let's jump into this. So the three lens materials, polycarbonate, Trivex, and glass. Some people think that all lenses are made out of glass. That's very much not true. Actually, the majority of glasses out there are made out of polycarbonate. If you have gotten prescription glasses in the past and you do not know what lens material it is, I would be willing to bet it's probably polycarbonate. It's kind of the industry standard at this point. It's a good lens material, been around for a long time. I think since roughly the 70s, somewhere around there. Super impact resistant and lightweight, relatively thin. It's a good lens material all around, good general lens material. The downside to it is its tensile strength and its optical clarity. That's the biggest one for me. And so if you're looking for something that's kind of basic, you don't really care, impact resistant and lightweight and relatively thin, go for polycarbonate. If you want to get an upgraded lens material, something a little more premium, then go for Trivex. It's gonna boast all of the same things that polycarbonate does. It's a little bit better in terms of optical clarity, actually a lot better in terms of optical clarity, a little bit better in terms of impact resistance, and also better in tensile strength. So if you're getting a drilled rimless, meaning that they're totally rimless, the frame is attached to the lenses with drill holes through the lens, you wanna get Trivex, because with polycarbonate, you're gonna get little hairline cracks, or you may get, let's say it that way, little hairline cracks around those drill holes that can be problematic, especially if those cracks stretch across the whole corner of the lens or anywhere that would allow that temple or bridge to pop off, and there's no fixing that. So Trivex has a higher tensile strength, much better for drilled lenses, and like I said, optical clarity way better. And it is actually the lightest lens material presently available. So keep that in mind if you're looking for something that's super lightweight. The only downside to it over polycarbonate is it is a little bit thicker. Now for glass, a lot of people think that glass is the way to go, and it's a great lens material. It's harder to find, especially in clear lenses. There are some lens manufacturers out there or sunglass brands that still offer glass. Costa is definitely one to note for that, because you can get those in non-prescription and prescription. And glass, like I said, is a great lens material. Optically speaking, it's the best of all of them. However, not at all impact resistant, and it's heavy. But then to contrast that, you have a very scratch resistant lens material. It is the most scratch resistant lens material that you can find on the market. And because it is such a hard lens material, very hard to scratch, but not hard to crack or shatter. I've had people drop frames just the right way and it cracks the lenses completely. They're useless, you can't fix it. You have to get a new set of lenses. If that's not an issue for you, go for glass. If you're super careful with them, you don't ever expect to be hit by any kind of projectile, or impact resistance isn't an issue, go for glass, and especially if you have a lighter prescription, because the weight's probably not gonna be an issue. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful information. If I didn't cover everything, definitely leave comments down below or call us. Thanks for watching.